Look, I might be the happiest person alive right now because Turbo has finally recovered. You guys know me, Turbo is one of my biggest holdings for this bull run. And guys, this thing has just flipped bullish once again because again, like I was telling you, we need to wait until Bitcoin flips bullish, and has it done that? What is going on, guys? We're going to be taking a look at Turbo token today, up 20% in the last 24 hours. You don't even see gains like that in the stock market for at least 2 years. What is going on, guys? My name is Ro. If you're new to the channel, I cover the latest and greatest crypto content, anything from altcoins to meme coins to Bitcoin to market sentiment to trading psychology, whatever it may be. I'm trying to hold your hand through this entire bull market. So if you're new, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. With that being said, let's take a look at Turbo today. All right, fellas. Now, this is not a coin that you want to fade. Like I said, market cap up 20%, volume up 35%. We're back above over $100 million in volume. Guys, we did not even see the volume down for too long. Literally the lowest we went to was like 60 or maybe 55 million in terms of volume, and now we're back up. We're basically doubled that at this price right now, at this time right now, and we are, I want to say 30 to 40% of the market cap in terms of our volume, and you don't see that in a lot of meme coins. So just the fact that Turbo is doing so much volume in the last 24 hours, as you know, compared to other meme coins. I mean, let's just see, right? Let's take a look at Brett. I bet you it's not doing as much volume, like 47 million. Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe might be doing a little more, but we'll see. Okay, Pepe's doing a little bit more. I was mistaken. But as you can see, Brett, which has a $1 billion market cap, isn't doing as much volume as something like Turbo, which has $260 million market cap. Now, guys, if this doesn't signify that tier 1 exchange listings should be coming soon, then I don't know what does, because this is exactly what exchanges look for, right? They look for volume being traded. They don't really care about the price. They don't really care about market sentiment. If you have a lot of volume being traded within the last 24 hours and you have this consistently, exchanges are going to want to list you. And who knows, I feel like Turbo has already secured like Binance, a listing on Binance, but they're just not making it public or revealing this because of the fact that we've been on a downtrend. But as you guys know now, everything has flipped bullish. Bitcoin is 63K, 64K, around the area. Turbo itself pumped 19%, and this is exactly what I was telling you guys about. You know, a lot of people were telling me Turbo is a pump and dump scam. It's a scam. It's going to zero. Get out of the markets. Those are the people that are going to miss out. If you have sold on the dips that we've seen in the last couple weeks, and you're waiting until something like September, October, or the latter half of this year to get in, you are the reason. You have yourself to blame. You are the reason why you're not going to make life-changing wealth in this bull market, because you are fearful of buying when the market is bleeding out. Now, the fear and greed index is back at around 48, which is neutral, so we're not at greed or anything like that yet, but we escaped out of fear. And as I've been telling you guys, you want to buy in extreme fear or fear, and we haven't seen dips like this in the market since 2023 or 2022. So this is literally the best buying opportunity that we've gotten for maybe well over a year, to be quite honest with you guys. So the price currently trading at 2 zeros for 2, obviously super bullish. You could buy this thing on 45 different exchanges: OKX, Uphold, Crypto.com, Gate.io, just to name a few. Personally, when I was buying this, I was using MetaMask because it was just the most convenient thing for me. If you guys do go that route of using MetaMask, you want to make sure that the ETH gas is low. Literally a couple days ago, ETH gas was at 2 Gwei. Now it's basically like 12, which is a 5x in terms of gas prices. And obviously this impacts the price that you're paying for the token that you're switching to, because you're paying more for gas fees, and everyone hates Ethereum gas fees. This is their Twitter over here, guys. 70,000 followers. Make sure you guys go ahead and drop them a follow, because their marketing team is one of the best that I've ever seen. They are so active and they are so energetic and interactive with the community, and that is something that you guys want to see. Announcements coming left, right, and center, like this one. Cosmic Royale beta is almost here. The newest adventure in the motorverse awaits you. Now, as you can see here, Turbo starts the Turbo. So as you can see here, we might see a collab with Turbo and Cosmic Royale. We do know that this is owned by Motorverse, which is the company they partner with. So if we could see Turbo in this racing game, Cosmic Royale, that would be pretty freaking cool, even though that's not really something that Turbo holders want. I think it adds that sense of utility, which is also like, it's cool. It's nice to have. It's not necessary to make the coin pump, but like I said, it's nice to have, right? Adding utility into a token isn't ever going to take anything away from it. Now, Turbo is the easiest risk to reward ratio you can get today. Yes, the market cap is high, but that just means low risk. Looking at this weekly chart of Turbo, tell me what you see. So you can see this downward momentum here, just getting ready for the next leg up. Another downward momentum, getting ready for the next leg up. Now, guys, we have gone all the way down, and again, this is a buy opportunity. If you haven't loaded up your Turbo bag when it dipped to 203, basically almost 202, this is the opportunity that you have been looking for. Buy now, get into this token now before we start seeing these gains come back and before we obviously cross over a penny again, right, guys? Because it's not a matter of if we're going to cross over a penny, it's a matter of when, right? It's such a cliche saying, but it had to be done. Turbo will melt faces this bull run. The price is currently attempting a breakout on the daily chart, and guys, I believe that we will be breaking out of this falling wedge sooner rather than later. Maybe the bleeding for July is done and the second half of July is going to be extremely bullish. Again, I'm not having too much confidence in the entire month of July. Maybe we see red this month, and then in the next coming months we will see a lot of green movements going upwards. We needed this cool off, guys. There was way too many people that were over leveraged into the space. Again, it's summer, people are going out, people are having fun, so that is part of the reason why we are seeing these dips happen, right? People are removing funds from the market, and again, that Germany selling off their Bitcoin thing, apparently that wallet has gone down to zero, so not a lot of FUD surrounding that anymore, which is obviously a very good sign. So if you guys are wondering where could the price of Turbo potentially go, well, I would like to compare it to something like Shiba Inu, which is, as of right now, 10.9 billion market cap. You guys know in the peak of it all, Shiba Inu ran to 40 billion market cap. Now, do I think Turbo is going that high? Absolutely not. And anyone telling you that Turbo is going to $1 or something is smoking a different type of crack that has never touched the face of this earth before. They've probably gotten it from Harry Potter himself, right? So as you guys see now, if you were to buy this now and it goes to the price of Shiba Inu right now, we're going to be seeing a 38x return, right? If we were to get to 10 billion, guys, we're literally just at a 35x play. So a 0.15, which is a 15-cent turbo, is something that is possible. 10-cent turbo is something that is possible. If you were to get in at these prices, you're looking at almost a 38x. A $1,000 investment into turbo could potentially bring you $38,000, guys. 10,000 could bring you a lot of money. Just keep that in mind. Obviously, remember, at the end of the day, none of this is financial advice. Only my opinion about it. That was my price prediction. I do believe Turbo is going anywhere from 10 cents to 20 cents. And 10 cents being the lower half, being conservative. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Comment what your thoughts are on this recent reversal and this upward trend that we're having right now. Do you think it's going to last? What are your thoughts on the crypto market? And what are you most bullish on? Let me know what your price target is for Turbo. I will see you guys in my next videos. Thank you for watching. It's been your boy Ro. God bless you guys and peace out. Take care.